My name's Pam Doneen, and this is day 4 on my 7-day What I Eat in a Day on Nutrisystem. Hopefully it can help you to see what a typical day looks like if you were deciding on doing the program or not. And I mentioned that Nutrisystem supplies breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack. And then you have to buy extra grocery items. The program I'm on, I get 3 power fuels, and a power fuel is 80 to 120 calories with at least 5 grams of protein. And then I'm also allowed 1 smart carb a day, which is 80 to 120 calories with at least 1 gram of fiber. So, and then you get some extras, which are 10 to 35 calories a day. You get 3 of those, which is your dressing, my coffee creamer every morning. I don't always eat all of those, but you do get 3 if you want them. And then there are free foods that are your seasonings, your chicken broth, so there's a list of those as well. So anyway, I will check back in at the end of the day.
Okay, my cup of coffee this morning with 1 tablespoon of this Coffee Mate creamer, and 1 tablespoon is 35 calories, so that's an extra. So I'm ready to start my day. So I'm back in my laundry room to get my water filled up for the day. So I'm doing my 2 40-ounce bottles. I do this every single morning, and I have done this for years. So I do these 40-ounce bottles, and by the end of my day, they will be gone. And I don't, when I do my juices or pops or teas, I don't count that as water because I don't know, I just like drinking a lot of water. So I am gonna fill these up and get going with the day. This morning for breakfast, I'm having these biscotti bites. I've had them before and I really like them, so I have quite a few of them in my order. And they're kind of an almond flavor, and they have pistachios in them, and they're like that. They're really crunchy, and there's 7 of them in there. So I'm just gonna sit and work at my computer this morning and eat those, kind of snack on them, and I will figure out my vegetables later this morning. So I'm gonna go start working. For my morning snack this morning, I am having the green juice that I make and one of these cottage cheese fruit doubles. And the green juice, I make it in a juicer. I've made it for years. I don't particularly like it, but I feel like I'm got lots of good vitamins in, and it is a way to get some vegetables in. And this particular juice is kale, spinach, arugula, celery, and carrots. So I'm going to drink that. And then I'm going to have this cottage cheese double, which is a power fuel. And this power fuel is 110 calories with 9 grams of protein. So after I drink my juice, I am going to eat this cottage cheese. What I'm having for lunch is the Nutrisystem pepperoni pizza melt, and I've had them multiple times. I really like them. They're really good. They're like a Hot Pocket. So I already cooked it in the microwave. It's pretty quick. And yeah, so I'm gonna go eat this Nutrisystem Hot Pocket type thing. They're good. So my mom came by for tea. So we are going to have tea together and chat and catch up. That'll be nice. And the tea that I'm having we're both having the same one, this sweet and spicy, this Good Earth. And I have a whole selection that we could choose from, but we both picked that one. So anyway, we are going to have tea together, and I'll see you when I have my next thing. This afternoon, what I'm having for a power fuel is I made butterscotch pudding, and this box of butterscotch pudding is 100 calories for the powder, and then I use 2 cups of fat-free milk, and that's 90 calories for 1 cup, and it also is 9 grams of protein. So I divided it into 4 containers though, but I can have 2 of these containers and it's only 1 power fuel plus 1 extra because it's 140 calories for 2 of those containers. So I am going to eat both of those this afternoon for my power fuel and my 1 extra and 9 grams of protein. So this afternoon for my smart carb, I decided to cut up an apple. This one is a Fuji, which I love Fujis because they're really sweet. And so I'm going to go eat my Fuji. And this is a smart carb. For dinner, I am having the Salisbury steak with macaroni and cheese. And that's what it looks like. And then I'm having a spinach salad with 2 tablespoons of this raspberry light dressing, and 2 tablespoons is 30 calories, so that is an extra. And then I have 1.5 ounces of feta cheese on there, which is 105 calories and 6 grams of protein. So this is dinner tonight. For my snack tonight, I'm having the Toffee Crunch cookies. And these are what they look like. There's 8 of them in the package. And I have my fire going. The house is quiet. I'm by myself. I'm going to enjoy my cookies and then go to bed. And today was a great day. I had a really good day. So I'll see you in the morning. Good night.
So this was another good day on my Nutrisystem program. Day 4 is done. And I will check in with you tomorrow for day 5 of what I eat. If you are getting benefits from this, if you could give me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. And also, if you could hit the subscribe button and notification bell and just follow along with me, I'd love to have you join me in this community. So anyway, have a great day. I appreciate you. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.